How to fix Pharaoh. A new error keeps crashing on startup on PC. 1. Check system requirements. If needed. 2. Verify the integrity of game files. 3. Play Pharaoh. A new error as an admin. 4. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Allow the game through firewall. 6. Force the game to use DirectX 11. Hint, input DX11 under the launch options. 7. Troubleshoot Pharaoh. A new error in Windows Clean Boot. 8. Uninstall then reinstall the game.